Alright guys, just wanted to share with you a unveiling of my new Sparrows Vorax lockpick set. I ordered it last week. I'm not going to do a review, I just thought I'd share this with you as locks picks that I received today. If you want a review, check out Bosnian Bill. That was one of the reasons I bought it. So this is me, like a child at Christmas. Super excited. That's the camouflage kit. Feels nice. It's got the rubbery thing on the front. So inside we have a nice bunch of rakes, a nice bunch of hooks, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tension wrenches, and what I was a little bit excited about when I saw the video, the tension wrenches with the comb picks on the end. So if you want a proper review, check out Bosnian Bill. But these feel very, very nice, actually. Very, very happy with them. Now, I'll have to go through them to make sure that they're all there. I remember one of the guys here was saying that he didn't think the whole set was there. Which brings me to... oh no, there it is. I want to have a look at this fella here, the Sandman. Very nice. Alright guys, only quick and short and cheerful. Just wanted to let you know that I'm super excited, and my next video should be with me picking a nice hard lock with some of these yokes. Alright lads, see you later, bye.